Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Ciga Design skeletonized watch. So without further ado, let's continue with the unboxing. The Ciga Design comes in this quite impressive package. I must say the first impressions when I got the watch was it was something that you would probably see an Apple device in. Comes in like this book. When you open it up, it's got the warranty card and a little window that you can see the actual watch in there. So there it is. It comes with no straps fitted, but these are quick release spring bars on the straps, so it's easy to install a strap on the watch. Comes with a rubber strap with the branded Ciga Design on the rubber strap. When I purchased the watch, I did ask, because they do a couple of colours. I think it's blue and red. I asked for the black. I asked if they could replace this leather strap with one of the blue or the red rubber straps, but unfortunately they didn't, because when it arrived it was all wrapped in cellophane. But I've never worn it on the leather strap. I haven't even put it on the leather strap. I just think the type of the watch it is, it looks much better on a rubber strap because it's quite a sporty watch. So there it is, ticking away. Automatic watch, obviously. Okay, so putting the strap on, it's going to be fine on camera. No pressure. That's on. And that one's on as well. And that was with a camera in my way, but it's a nice looking watch. I think the main issue I have with the watch is that the hands could have been a better colour. They could have been a solid colour rather than just with the red tips. That makes it quite difficult to read at times. The crown is not a screw down crown, so I wouldn't recommend getting this wet. So without further ado, let's go and have a look at this watch in natural light. So there's the Ciga Design. Is it a Richard Mille, or is it something different? Homage. I would say the main issue is trying to read the dial in a quick glance, but if you consider it more of a fashion accessory, then I think it's quite a good watch. It looks very well made. So let me know in the comments below whether you think it's one for the collection or one for the bin.